Yeah, hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, not in today's newspaper on Saturday, no, Saturday, September the 24th, 2022. No, it's the yesterday's edition, Friday, September the 23rd, 2022. Yes, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's edition. I've already solved one puzzle. The letter Sudoku, so two puzzles are left. The two stars and the tectonic. And tomorrow I will do the same because tomorrow it's Sunday, and on Sunday we have no newspaper, so I will do the rest of the puzzles of the additional of the Tuesday edition. Yes, the Tuesday edition. All right, Two Stars Sudoku number. This will be number 5224. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have more time because that puzzle has a lot of hidden numbers or a lot of pairs, so need more time to solve. But for two stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. Two of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 9. We have a 7 and a 9 in this big square, so no 7 and 9 in these three boxes. The 7 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. All right. So what are these three missing numbers then in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. Well, cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2, 5, 6. But we have a 2 in this column, a 2 in one of these three boxes in that column. So the column between, the only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last row. No 2 there, 2 should be there. Then three missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this last row. So no 6 in these two boxes. One box left for the 6 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, let me mark those. 1 and the 4. Okay. Then. Let me see. Ooh, the 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row. No 1 there, 1 should be there. Then. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 in these three boxes. Here 3 in this row, so no 3 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And we have a pair again, a 3 and a 5 in this row, the 3 and a 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places left for the 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So one digit left in this row. The last row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. The 8, okay. 7. Then 7, 9, and the 4. How about I'm thinking. 6, 6, 2, 8. Yeah, we have a pair. No. One conclusion. Need to wait. 7. 6, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well, let me mark those. 6, 6. 6 in one of those two boxes in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above. Only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. So what are those missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, the 5, the 6 and the 7. 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and a 9. 3, 8 and a 9. 3, 8 and a 9. Okay, 3, 8 and a 9. 2, 5, 2, 5, 6, 6. Okay. Well. 2, 2. 5, 5. 4, 4. Come on. The 9 in the first row. Overlooked. 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 3. Yeah. 2. Think. 8. 6, 7. Yeah. Come on. 8. No, 9. Could be the 9 here. I'm thinking. 1. Yeah. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, third column. No 1 there, 1 should be there. 1. 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. And look, we have a 5 and a 7 in this column. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. The 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 6. So 7 and 5, 7 and 5. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 7 and a 5. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. Now we have a 6 here in this column. So no 6 there. 6 should be there. So now we have 2 and a 5 here. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this first column. No 2 there, 2 should be there. Alright, 2. Okay. Cannot continue with 2. 5. We have a pair. 5 and a 7 in this column. 5 and a 7 in the column next. So last column. Only 2 places left for the 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 5. 7 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. You see here 3 in the third column, no 3 there. Here 3 in the second column, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. Well. Cannot continue with the 3. 1, 4, 8, 4. 4, 8, 4, 1, 1, 3 is also missing. 3. Yeah. 6. Yeah. 6. Come on. Not easy, this one, not easy. 4, 8, and 9. 4, 8, and 9. 4, 8, and 9. Let me think. 3, 8, and 9. So these 2 boxes we have here, 3, 8, and 9. So those 2 boxes will be there. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Well, cannot fill this yet, but I see here the pair, 1 and a 4. So here we have a pair in the last column. Here we have a pair, 7 and a 5. So 1 digit left in the last column. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. Yeah, the 3. So, okay. Yeah, the 3. Here should be the 3. 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. 8 is missing, 1 and a 4. 8, 1 and a 4 are missing in this column. 8, 1 and a 4. Well, we have a 1 and a 4 in this row. So no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 2 boxes left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Yeah. 7 in the last row. 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this first column. So no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4, it goes there. 4 in this row. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright, 3, 8, and a 9. 3, 8, and a 9. Okay. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this row or in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9. 2, 9, yeah. 6, Yeah. 3, 8, 9. So here we have 1 and a 4. 3, 8, 9. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now in this column. No 4 there. So the 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 now in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 4. It goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. No, 7. The 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4. It goes there. 4 in this column, first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. Here, 4 in the second row. No 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in the third row. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 now. In the third column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 1 box left in the third column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, the 8 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. How about now and now. Let me see. 2. No. 6, 5 and 7. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here in the middle column. So this box, I've marked those 2 boxes with the 6 and 7. Now we have a 7 here in the middle column, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 7. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 1. And all the 3s. Not used, the 3s. How about the 4s? And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Yes, this is number 3, number 4. Then we have a 6 here. 2, 6 and a 9. 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in the middle column. So no 6 and a 9 in this box. The 6 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left. Should be the 2 then. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the second row. So no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. I've marked those 3 boxes with 3, 8 and a 9. We have 8 here. So the 3 and a 9 are left, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 9 in this column. Oh, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 is also missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 5 and a 6. We have a 5 now in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow. Told you for 2 stars I need between 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars Sudoku. And it's definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.